Hello, Cancers. How are you? Hope you are doing well. This is your November reading. What's up with Cancer in November? What is happening with Cancer in November? What is happening with Cancer? Not flyers. Overall energies at the starting of the month, in the middle of the month, and the end of the month. Let's see what's up with Cancer. There's a lot of choices, there's a lot to carry, there's a lot of things coming towards you, and you're sad. There's clearly there's clearly a lot on your plate, Cancer. But you have opportunities that you're not considering. You're in your own melancholy. I mean, you're clearly moving towards calmer waters here. In Six of Swords. But right now, you're stuck at the spilled cups, staring at the spilled cups. You don't even want to look behind to see that there's two full cups kept right next to you. Why, Cancer? What is up? Could be because you're just Cancer. I mean, that makes sense. Not stereotyping, but I mean, come on. Middle of the month, the world wants. Okay. See, Cancers flip like this. Things getting better, celebrating something. What are we celebrating, Cancer? The Five of Cups is taking all of my attention. I mean, I can only focus on two cards right now here. The Five of Cups and the Four of Wands. And honestly, Five of Cup takes more of my attention. There is something. Why is it? Why is the Five of Cups taking all of my attention? No flyers. At least not today. I say I won't be taking any flyers, and some cards flip and end up on the table. One happened when I was doing the previous reading for Gemini. Why is the Five of Cups? I think there is a conspiracy when somebody is not paying attention to what is happening. There's clearly something happening behind your back. I mean, Three of Pentacles is not happening behind your back card, but with the Fool, with the Five of Cups, this is the vibe that I'm getting here. And you know that something is happening behind your back, and that is why it is affecting you. God bless you, Cancer. This energy is turning around by the middle of the month, but somehow It affects you so much that even this is outshined by it. Okay, what is happening in the end of the month? Taking action, moving forward, seeing your actions turn into fruits. We just have a bit of a struggle during the beginning of the month. The rest of the month is very good actually. And maybe this is something that you're carrying from this month only, maybe from the past few weeks. I heard few weeks. This is very heavy. The one in the beginning, the five of cups. Energetically, all I see right now is the five of cups. This is really, really affecting you. This does not seem to be something from a relationship. Could be a friendship. Could be a friendship. There's not much money involved. There's not much work. There's a lot of immaturity here. There's a lot of airy energy here. Okay, let's take a card from What's Blocking You deck, which is for relationships basically. What is blocking Cancer? What is blocking Cancer in the month of November 2025? Oh, I am under the weather. See, this is how it happens. I say I will not take any more flyers. This card is clearly out. And oh, there's two. Let's take both of them. Incomplete, you want someone who complete you, but you need to be whole on your own. Do you get that? Giving too much, you are depleted because you give too much. You need a balance of give and take. I mean, clearly we are dealing with people pleasers, yeah? But alright, let's take a card from What's the Tea deck. I hope there are no flyers this time. Tea for Cancers, November. If there's something affecting you and getting it off your chest will help, then you can always clear it out in my comment sections because I get it. I totally get it. We don't always have a place to say, but not here. You can open up about anything as long as you're respectful to others in the comments. Alright. Fake smiles. Clearly a people pleaser. Clearly we are dealing with a people pleaser. Cancer, I cannot even ask you to change. That's just you. It's fine. You will be fine. By the end of the month, you'll be fine. Okay, I want you to ask a timing question. When will this event happen? Something like that. This is a timing deck. This will answer that question for you. I do a lot of these on my page. Pick a card for timing. You can always book a personal reading through Instagram and email, but I prefer Instagram because I don't check my email every day. Okay. By the next sunrise, what did you ask for? When will I stop crying? When will I stop feeling this? By the next sunrise, I think that is a vague answer, but whatever. This is what we got. So, Cancer, this was your reading. Thank you for watching. I hope it resonated. I hope you could relate to it. Hope to see you soon again. Bye.